Hey guys, Operation Shamrock and Awe has started, and they did actually put something into zombies that is really cool. On the Darkest Shore, there's an Easter egg where you can unlock this mini Leprechaun boss, and once you shoot him, it gives you 4,000 points and also a camo. All you have to do to unlock it is to place jolts on top of these patches of clovers that you're going to see around the map. The first one is on the left side of Quick Revive right here. You will need 250 points, and once you place it, you're going to see like this burst of, I think it's like gold dust and coins and even a rainbow. There are 4 locations that you need to go to and place jolts to unlock it, and these 4 locations so far look like they don't randomize. It looks like they're in the same spot every time, but I could be wrong about that. If you guys find other locations, just comment down below. Another location is right here on the right of the stairs in the sub pen, and you can see the rainbow a little bit shooting out the left. The other 2 locations are towards Pack-a-Punch, so you need to have all the doors open to be able to access all 4 spots. This next location is up by the stamina machine and by the AA flat gun, and some of these are kind of hard to see, but as long as you go to the location you shouldn't have any problem. And once you do the last one, it's going to unlock this camo and everybody in your game will get it. So right here you should see the patch of clovers, again very small and hard to see, and the last one is going to be located inside of the artillery bunker. You don't have to do these in any particular order, and once you put the last 250 jolts down, he is going to spawn in from that location. And here's a location here next to this other power switch. You'll see a singular 4-leaf clover, so place that down and he should spawn out of the ground. He will attack you, but he's really easy to kill, and once you do kill him, you will get 4,000 points. Me personally enjoying Easter eggs, I really love this one. I like that they've added something for us for zombies. Now I know Black Ops 3, they had like the, Valentine's Day hearts, but there wasn't a whole lot of animation with this. This is really cool that they did this. You don't have to kill him to collect the camo, but whoever does kill him, again, will get the 4,000 points. And as you saw on screen earlier, it's when you place the 4th jolt is when, that achievement will pop up, and then everybody in the game will get this camo. The camo is located under a new tab, so if you go into a gun, you want to put it on, go into camouflage, go all the way over to special, and that's where it's going to be. I'm not sure if this thing is supposed to be like a weed camo, but it definitely can kind of resemble it. I think it's awesome. Weed camos are my favorite in all of COD, so I'm really glad they put this in because, zombies, we didn't get a lot of camos so far. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.